So look at this system. It shows every time I'm on the network, it shows limited, and I know this an issue with the window because I've tried every other thing and it doesn't work. So I'm gonna install a new window right here, and let's see how we can format the system. So this is I'm going to restart it, power it on. Okay, pressing F10. So it will take me to the boot window. So I had my system showing limited each time I connect to a network, and like a Wi-Fi, it always shows limited, just like you can see in that you can see there. All right, so I tried a lot of things. I went online, downloaded a lot of videos, but none was as helpful as I thought they will be. All right, although I saw them having the result that they were having on the videos, but they weren't as helpful as I thought it should be to me. So I as well took the laptop for repairs, changed the network setting, tried to change a lot of adapter, deleted a lot of files, and then I took it for repair, and the guys spent like about 2 hours. When I mean 2 hours, 2 hours trying to fix it, attempting different adapters one after the other, and none could work. So the solution I had to this was that I went and get a hard drive. All right, this is a hard drive. My system is about 150 gig or so, or there about 150 gig. So it's not much. So I got a 320 gig hard drive, and then to back up the memory of my system. After which I attempted, because I figured out that what could be wrong after all the attempts made to, you know, do this or to fix this. I figured out what could be wrong with the system is the window itself. My system was, as at then, it was operating on Windows 8. All right. I know you all might be thinking it's outdated, but yeah, I love Windows 8. So it's been operating on Windows 8, reason best known to me. So uh, I I had to back up the memory and then attempted a formatting process from within the system, like formatting from within Windows 8. There's a way you can format Windows 8 and then you still get to have the files back. All right, there's a way you can format and then still get to have the files back, and then there's a way you can do a total formatting and you just delete the entire files, and there's another way you can do a total formatting and yet you still have you have a total cleanup. So I did a kind of formatting that was supposed to be a total cleanup, and you know what happened along the line when the formatting was halfway, there was a power outage. All right, my system, the battery is a very rare system, Xenox, and the version of the Xenox is a kind of rare kind of product. So to get the battery has not been easy. So it's a kind of like a desktop. All right, I have to plug it to power. So there was power outage and it stopped halfway. Since then, the system has refused. The system refused to even go beyond the booting. What you will see when it boots is you will see that it will show that the OS is missing, and OS is missing on this hard disk, or OS is missing on this drive. All right, installing OS, and even no matter even if you restart it countlessly, it will keep showing the same thing: OS missing, OS missing. So what I had to do was immediately I restarted it. I had to buy what do they call it? Windows 8, another Windows 8 disk to start another formatting. All right, this one you can get it at your local shop or store. At just I think it's not even more than no more than $1.5. All right. So I got that at about I think in Nigeria here I got that for about $1. All right, $1. That was approximately 400, $1 or less than $1, depending on the rate. So I got that and then inserted it into the system, and then immediately the system started, I prompted to start to boot from the CD. I'm pressing F11, F10 or F11 or F12 will take me to the boot window. I think I hold it down. Okay. So what I actually use, every window have the differences, right? So the F11 and F12 did not work, so I use Control P for this is ZNOX. And so I formatted it with that with this drive right here, with this CD here, Windows 8 CD, all in one. All right. So after I attempted the formatting, uh, it went halfway, which at least it started formatting, which was a dreadful thing to me because I thought maybe I had lost my system totally, and then it went halfway and stopped, and it said something like um, window could not complete formatting. All your files are still the same way they were. All right, so something of that sort, and I was confused. So what I actually did, I tried it again. It did the same thing. So what I did was this time around, when I started the formatting, I started it on Window 8, and then the option was XP X64. That's the version of the window. But this time around, I changed it to X86. All right, and then it went successfully, and then I was able to format the window successfully. And as you can see here, uh, the window is running very fine. And then I connected my network, my Wi-Fi network, and boom, everything is now working really well. So it's no longer showing limited. Everything is now working really well. Let's go to see. Let me search something. So here it is. Everything is back up. So thank you for watching. Really well. So I thought I should share this out there to you guys. All right. So if you have some kind of challenges like this and you've attempted so many things just the way I've attempted so many things like myself, all right, this I guess is the best solution. All right, but nevertheless, this was just like a quick fix by myself. All right, if you take it to a professional hardware developer or have hardware repairs engineers, they could as well know the best thing to do and then fix it for you without having to go through the processes I went through. But nevertheless, I'm glad I could do it myself, and I know y'all can do it yourself because not everyone is in a place where they are accessible to a hardware engineer. So, hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do or if you love the videos I make. Okay, please subscribe and see you in my next video.